So here is Purrrr app, feed and rescue stray cats. Quite a popular app. It's getting to the quite high in the charts. So the idea of the Purrrr app originated from a story of feeding stray cats in Chinese community. Inspired by a group of young animal lovers, we decided to use internet technology to involve more people in caring for stray animals, promoting harmonious coexistence between humans and animals. So there is like a live stream of the cats. So there are cameras, and then you can remotely feed stray cats, dogs, and other small animals. So then you can just share it. You will meet many cat lovers in this live stream with whom you can exchange idea on feeding. So that's just what it is. So this app is not like the app where you just see and take a photo of the stray cats you're feeding. Nope. This is a collection of cameras, live feeds, where you can feed the cat and see how it's being fed, and then just see like a 24-hour live stream of the cats, and then eating, and then you can just obviously buy food for these cats. So pretty cool. So here you can just see the cameras setting up, and then you can see the chat here, and then you can see all of the people feeding here in these boxes. And then I guess you can tap feed button, and then you can buy food for these cats. So you can buy 10 gram of kibble, 5 gram of cats, or so for example you can see here, you can buy the plan, like 180 coins, 280 coins, and then for each for these coins you're just basically buying food for these cats. So yes, pretty cool. I don't know how, so yeah, some people don't really like the idea. As I say, it's a bit you're just exploiting the poor cats, and but anyway, you're feeding them, and then there are these webcams which are just taking a look at how you're feeding the cats. So pretty cool idea. And then there are also like cat snaps, which are just different photos how cats are eating. So these are not only cats, all kinds of animals here. Yeah, so that's the app. And then TNR, I don't know, scientific management of stray cats. So then you can see crowdfunding for cats. You can just fund some of the cats here, and then me, that's like your account here. You can see your account here, and then you can see feeding records. And yeah, so that's what it is. You can see ranking as well. So yeah, that's basically the idea here. And then again, you can just see all of this. And then you can see that you can invite friends to get coins. So you can refer friends and earn coins. Invite all your furry friends, get 77 coins when they sign up and log in through Purrrr app. So here it is. And then you just have it here. So yeah, you can also refer like that. So that's basically the idea of the app. So pretty cool approach. This is quite a special app because you can't just build it. You also need to access and install all of these webcams. So it's hard to copy this app. It's pretty cool idea. Maybe it came from China, or I don't know where it's being developed. But yeah, there it is.